Hello, welcome to another day of class. Today, in our reading class, we are going to learn about what is a poem. Today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. What we are going to do is that we are going to use our books of reading and comprehension. So please look for your book, Reading and Comprehension. We're going to open our books on page 11. So please look for page 11 of your books. And then you have a poem, which is I Wander Lonely as a Cloud. And here we have the name of the person who wrote this poem, William Wordsworth. So, we are going to learn today about poems. Please copy the date first. Today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. When you finish to copy the date, here I have the concept of poem. Do you know why we use poems? Well, poem is a piece of writing. It's a piece of writing in which the expression of feelings and ideas is given intensity by particular attention to diction, sometimes involving rhyme, rhythm, and imagery. So, what is a poem? A poem is a piece of writing, a part of writing where we can express ourselves, we can express ideas, we can express feelings. If, for example, if I'm sad, I can create a poem. I can write a poem about my sadness. Or if I'm extremely happy, I can write a poem about happiness. So that's why we use a poem. But also, we can express ideas. If you don't know, there exist poems for politics or for social things around the world, or to express that you are disagree with the society or something like that. So poems are also form of expressions of ideas. What happened with the poems? The poems sometimes involve rhyme. One word has the same rhyme with another word. For example, beautiful, wonderful, or amazing with another word that has the same rhyme. Then the rhythm of the poem. Sometimes the poem involves a special rhythm and imagery. Sometimes also poems involve some images. So, on page 11 of your book, page 11, you have the poem that we are going to read it tomorrow, but read it you now. Tomorrow we are going to read it together. That was everything for today's class. See you until next class. Hope you are fine at home. That was everything. Hugs and kisses. Bye-bye.